I'm telling you, neither you can 100% speak into your listening, nor you can 100% speak into others' listening, because you are off, others are off. When you can speak into your listening, other listening, authentically, only then you will be able to speak into your listening 100%, others listening 100%. How many of you are thinking, first I will speak into my listening 100%, then I will speak into others listening? Raise your hand. It is foolish. How many of you are thinking, I will speak into others listening, I don't care about speaking into my listening? Raise your hand. Again, this is foolishness. Understand? It is, you go on doing both becomes complete, perfect. Because you are not 100% stored in you. You think all your treasury is in your hand. Already some fellows have put the hole in your backyard and pulled out the treasury. You are only sitting safeguarding the front door. Because the front door is not opened, front door of the treasury is locked and you have the key, you are thinking your treasury is safe. Already some fellow has gone through the back door and drilled and pulled many things. You are sitting with the empty. You understand? Your 100% is not with you. Same way, your 100% is not with others. Still, at least the empty locker you are having and your key you are having. So, it has to be a simultaneous process. Speaking into your listening and speaking into others listening. Both should be from powerful, complete space. Listen, listen. Listen here. Say, how many of you listen? You feel, first let me completely speak into my listening, only then I will speak into others listening. Raise your hand. Whenever you try to speak into others listening, you will always carry the incompletion. I myself not complete. How can I speak into others listening? Am I right? So that makes you powerless. All these people, I don't care about whether I am speaking into my listening. Let me speak into others listening. Again, you are feeling powerless. How many of you are getting it? Actually, many times you speak into others listening even though you are not convinced. You are not able to speak into your listening. Many times. When you try to make your husband disciplined, wife disciplined, look in. Are you convinced about that? No. So that time, again, because you feel you are not convinced but you are speaking into others listening, you will be powerless. Both, if it is done as a part by part, it is powerlessness. Both done as a lifestyle out of powerfulness reaches completion. That is what I am saying. If you start doing, both is similar. Both have a strong connection. Listen. Please, all of you, look here. Can you all look here? Look here for a few minutes. I am giving you the tips for speaking into others listening. Usually when you start speaking to others, you are always planning to impress on others who you are, instead of what you need to make them do. See, there are two components in speaking. Moving them to do what you want and trying to impress them about you. Impressing them about you should be only for moving them to do what you want. But most of the time, you try to impress them about you, and the funny thing, whatever way you try to impress them about you, You are not impressed about that. Still you have doubt about it. That is why you project your SDHD on them and make it as ADHD. Understand? Attention deficiency happens in the other person. ADHD happens only when you have SDHD. When your statements are from SDHD, means self-doubt. You are not completely convinced. You try to project that on the others, using the same concept and try to impress them. Other person will not be giving you attention. He will not be giving you listening. You will not be speaking into his listening. You think he has ADHD. No, you have SDHD. ADHD happens in other person if you have SDHD when you speak. How many of you understand what I am saying? That's all. So don't ever blame others' ADHD. It is your SDHD. Understand? Actually, layer by layer, I am making the cognition happen in you. The cognitive shift. When you start speaking, decide you are complete about what you feel as you. You do not need to impress the other person about you. Now, only thing you need to do is move the other person. You should do as you want through your words. That is what is speaking into the listening of the other person out of completion. Don't try to impress the other person by trying to show who you are. When whatever component of you are trying to make others believe again and again, be very clear you are not believing. I have seen this in my life. Let me tell you openly. I will constantly make the people around me to believe that I am working hard. But I myself don't believe. No, really I am telling you. In my heart I don't believe I am working hard. I feel whole life is going so beautiful and smooth. What is there in this work? This is what I like. When I wake up, I just want to come and see you guys. That's all. I just want to spend time with you guys. And I am spending. You have any question? I'll answer. You have any doubt? I'll clarify. You have any disease? I'll heal. You have any wishes? I'll bless. That's all I want to do. You have any reality? I'll cause it. If I am not able to directly do it by mystical way, the metaphysical way, then let me prepare you to receive that metaphysical transmission. That's all is the whole program is all about. See, many things what you want can be directly transmitted metaphysically. Whenever you need little more sensitivity to receive that metaphysically, you are just prepared through all these process, programs, everything. That's all is the whole life. My life is so simple. I have put this my whole life and mission in this 4-5 statement. Everything boils down to this. So I don't feel actually I am working hard. But I have to convince this first team that I am working hard, so that they will become more authentic. I will go on be convincing them because I am not convinced. To tell you honestly, I am not convinced at all that I am working hard. I only feel my life is a celebration, vacation. Who will get 21 days nice vacation to be in Varanasi happily? That's the way I look at my life. That's the way I am perceiving. Anyhow, I am giving you this example. In being, I don't believe I am working hard. I only believe life is going so smooth, so beautiful. Say, hard working is the ideology, the word you use to justify the inner conflicts which you are not able to complete. If you complete all the inner conflict, you won't feel like life is hard work. It's all smooth joyride. How many of you understand what I am saying? But that does not mean because you don't believe you are doing hard work, you will not come for yoga. I don't believe I am doing hard work, but I don't miss any of my sessions. I don't miss any of my commitments. So you also be like that, integrated, authentic, then believe you don't do hard work. That is perfectly alright. And you neither do work nor believe you are doing hard work. Actually, when you believe you are doing hard work only, you don't work. Because from morning till night, you are in the mode of too much is in my plate. How much I can do? I am tired. Ba 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 ba. Too much is in my plate. What do you mean by too much is in the plate? Everything is grabbed. Do not try to impress others about some part of you, because it means you are not convinced about that part of you. That's first truth. Second, whenever you speak, always be aware you should be speaking to move the other person. Move the other person. How many of you understand? Now, can we have a few minutes discussion? Now you are going to move the other person, convincing the other person's ultimate reality is only enlightenment. See, if that person is already convinced, he is spoken to, he is listening, he has no question, leave him. Don't torture him. So don't catch people and say, I have to practice now talking into others listening. I will listen, speaking to you, you have your doubt. No. Clear? See, listen. For example, I'll give you this example. 10 people are there in your team. No, 10 people are there in your team. 4 persons have a question. Speak into their listening and make them understand. 6 people don't have questions. Thank them, that's all. Understand? But end of the conversation, the whole team in their listening and in others listening should be able to speak about the ultimate reality. This one truth. All of you are clear about the process? Shall we start? Start. Understand, this is one of the best powerful process, dharana of training you. The self-training dharana. Self-building dharana. Like body building, it is self-building, conscious building. Everyone is ready? Let us make our Vedanta reality, not the theory. See, in one book fair, in Ramakrishna Mission bookstore, the volunteer was standing. There was a Brahmasutra Bhashya, commentary of Brahmasutra by Shankara, commentary of Brahmasutra by Ramanuja. The whole Hinduism has suffered so much between this fight between these two thought schools. Somebody came and asked the volunteer, what is the difference between this and this? Brahmasutra, Shankara Bhashya and Shankara's commentary and Ramanuja's commentary. The volunteer coolly replied, 35 rupees. So understand. Most of the time, we speak in that level only. Now, you will speak into your real listening and speak into others' listening. Let's make Vedanta into reality, not 35 rupee gap. Means that much only that volunteer has studied both those books. He knows only both the books, cost. Come on. Please get back to your teamily and start. Listen, It's a teamily exercise. When A speaks to B, C, D, E, F, everyone will provide listening. So only one person in a group will be speaking, but the other person can question, because you have to speak till he is listening, till you have spoken into his listening. You will see, you will get exactly the questions which you are not able to convince about you. If you are not able to convince about you, you will not be able to convince the other person. If you can't speak into your listening, you can't speak into their listening. Even when you speak, if you are able to speak into their listening, your doubt also will be cleared. You will be speaking into your listening. It is like a churning. See, in Ganga, so many big stones will fall into Ganga. Ganga will beat each stones with each other and roll it. Finally, both will become Shivalinga and she will give it to us and go. So she will take so many stones and beat them all with each other. In that high power rotation, all the stones will become Shivalinga and she will leave it. Like that, I am taking all of you and beating all of you together in the flow of my energy. And all of you will become Shivalingas. That's all.